Okay, hello my friend. Hopefully you are doing great. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna say you how to make a user-defined custom exception, and then you can use it for exception handler. So get back to our lesson 17 before. So we already throw some built-in exception, like you see something like related to arithmetic exception here, and I want to build something by myself. So how can we do that? So the way we do that, we will extend from exception class. We already knew about um, how to inherit, right? Object in inheritance lesson. So now I want to share you how to inherit from the exceptions class, and then you can build your own custom exception. So let's create a new package. So you call it something like, package lesson 19 here. And let me copy this and I put in the lesson 19. Okay. So inside here, I want to create a new exception handler with the name something like custom exception type. And this class I will inherit from the exception class. So I use the keyword extend and I extend the exception here. So for example, if you open some built-in here, you see if you call something like super, very easy, super s dash. So we will do the same thing like super custom exception type, and let me say something like public and string. This is the error message, and we will call the parent constructor super error message. So when you call something like this, it will trigger the constructor from exception. Here you see super message, and this is extend from a throwable class here. So what we have inside, let's say we have exception super is still called another class. This is throwable, and yeah, it's very simple, right? So let me see whether we have any specific thing in this throwable class. Object string, no, stock trace element here. Okay. Okay, that's okay. So here, we already have the custom exception type here. So how can we use it? So inside this one, instead of throw a built-in exception, I will throw a new custom exception type here, and I will put something like unhandle exception at exception method signature throw here custom. Okay, so I will throw the custom exception type here in the methods I'm going to use, and then I just new the custom exception type here, and I will get the exception string. I put it to string, then I will catch here. So when I catch here, you will see some error. For example, that I put something like the error message, maybe. Yeah, I don't want to customize any error message. So when you use you can get an exception because we use the custom exception type. It's a subclass of exception. So it's safe for us to put something here. But more specifically, you can put something like custom exception type because you already knew that your method here is probably throw a new custom exception type that you already built outside here. So let's try to trigger it first to see what is the error or whether we can trigger the exception type. Okay. So just try to run it first. So you see error happen, and we will have something like error, and we get the error inside here. The error is actually from the exception, and then we use it as our string to throw out. So that's the way you custom. For example, if you want to put something more like inside this custom message, you can put something like subscript, and you can have private status string my custom error message here equal custom error message here. Put something like message. So because we have status methods here, so this string will be in it at the very beginning time when you run your program, and here I can call super my custom error message. Instead of getting the message from outside, I wanna always send this message out. Okay, so you can customize by that way. Just run the program again, and you will see custom exception type here. So this is the way you can build your own exception type, and how can you can handle. So you in the method that you use your custom exception, you throw the custom exception type, and where you use the try catch, and you catch the exactly thing, or you can catch just simple exception. So it's safe enough for you. So you run again, you will see the same result happen here. Okay, so try to practice yourself. It's not so hard. I just want to share you more by a possibility for you, so you can create your own custom exception type and can use in your application in future. So bye for now, and see you in the next tutorial.